Hi and welcome to the latest forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. A fine and very warm day in places on Monday before it turns cooler and more mixed from Tuesday onwards. Some patchy cloud out there on Sunday night, and there will be a thickening in general of the cloud across the Western Isles, with some light outbreaks of rain and drizzle turning up after midnight. Elsewhere, clear spells, and it's going to be relatively warm, with temperatures in most towns and cities holding up at 10 to 12 Celsius, although in some sheltered rural spots, mid to high single figures still possible. And then we start the day on Monday with plenty of sunshine, one exception, the west coast and the Western Isles, where there'll be that thicker cloud, some outbreaks of light rain and drizzle, and some mistiness as well. That's associated with a weak front, which will tend to edge its way eastwards and fizzle away by the afternoon. The cloud elsewhere will build, but actually for the vast majority, it's a fine, bright and very warm afternoon. Plenty of sunny spells, and where that sun shines strongest, 24 Celsius possible in the east and southeast, and for northern parts of Aberdeenshire, 25 degrees possible. Orkney, 20 there, and Shetland, 17 degrees, so relatively warm for the time of year. And in the west, once that cloud disappears, we're into the low 20s. So feeling warm out there, but it's likely to be the warmest day of the week, because as we go through Monday night, we'll see another weather system arrive. That's going to, again, thicken up the cloud and bring some outbreaks of light rain after midnight into western parts. And as we go into Tuesday, that front will make steady progress across Scotland from the west. Now it's going to intensify, and eventually it will clear and bring fresher conditions from the Atlantic. But for Tuesday itself, we start off with some early sunshine in the east and south. It's going to be a warm start to the day, temperatures soon rising. But as that front moves in, the cloud will thicken. We could see some heavier rain for a time across northeastern parts, and some heavy showers elsewhere as well. So with the cloud and the additional rain, temperatures will be affected. It's still going to feel relatively humid out there, and certainly those temperatures are going to manage to reach the low 20s in places, but not as high as Monday because of the additional cloud. Now, once that clears through, it's going to feel cooler on Wednesday, but some sunshine will return, particularly to the west, and then much more mixed from Thursday onwards, with temperatures back to average.